Yeah, welcome once again to my channel. Today we'll be looking at a problem under logarithm. Problem under logarithm. Problem under logarithm. So the problem says if log of 4 2x equals -1, find x. Find x. So the first thing we're going to do here is to remove this log so as to make the equation solvable. When we remove the log, we have 2x equals 4 raised to power -1, the inverse of 4. So, and this can also be written as 2x equals 1 all over 4 equals 1 over 4. So when we cross multiply, we have 2x multiplied by 4, we have 8x, which is equals to 1. 8x equals to 1. So after that, we divide both sides by 8. So therefore, the value of x will be equals to 1 all over 8. 1 all over 8 is the value of x. Also, let's look at this problem. 4 all over 5 into raised to power 2x minus 1. X minus 1. Then we have which is equals to 25 all over 16. Find x. How do we go about that? To find x, so this can also be written as 4 over 5 2x minus 1 equals 5 square all over 4 square. So can be written as this, which is equals to 5 all over 4 all squared. All squared. So if we want to get the same base as this, so we find the inverse of this. So 4 all over 5 2x minus 1 equals 4 all over 5 raised to power minus 2. Since we have the same base, so we can equate the power. Since we have the same base, we can equate the power. Alright, so when we equate the power, 2x minus 1 equals 4 over 5 minus 2. So when we equate the power, we have 2x minus 1 equals minus 2. So when we collect the like terms, we have 2x equals minus 2 plus 1. So we are now left with 2x equals minus 1. So when we divide both sides by 2, our x will now be equals to minus 1 all over 2. So our final answer here is minus 1 all over 2. Minus 1 all over 2. Thank you for watching my video. If you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification button also, so as to get familiarized with my channel and get notification anytime I drop another video. Thank you for watching and thank you for staying tuned. Thank you.